What are you eating? What are you doing?
Dots. How is it here?
Is it good? What is it?
Bubble.
Waffle? That's not a waffle. Spaghetti.
No, head.
Head? I think you're eating eggs.
It's itchy.
No, I'm not. Now my mouth is all done.
It's all gone.
Yeah.
Huh.
It's on the island,
What
buddy.
did you make at Deb's house today?
This.
Show me. What is it?
The way you had this.
But what is it?
The way you do it.
It looks like a moving something. A moving vehicle.
Did you color it or paint it?
The way.
Do you like coloring or painting better?
The way.
Yeah.